Protesters are raging in the heart of the national capital. Parliament is paralysed and opposition has smelt blood. Amidst the spiralling situation, Prime Minister Modi has sent a big message to the youth. Prime Minister Modi has sought to assure the protesting students. While stating that the future of the youth was a priority for him, Modi vowed that stringent punishment will be given out to all those responsible. The Prime Minister also said that fast-track courts are being set up to try paper leak case accused. Senior Modi ministers reassured students that the government has their best interests in mind and appealed for talks.
At the level of the Prime Minister, a response has been given. In fact, much before today's announcement of setting up fast-track courts and assuring the punishments will be handed over to those people who violated the sacredness of an exam by leaking the papers, by buying papers, by selling papers.
The government is ready for talks whenever you want, at whichever hour of the day, and for as much length of time that you wish to. The talks can be held at the residence of Shri Nadda because the talks will be led by the Health Minister of India and the senior leader Shri Nadda ji, and of course I will be accompanying him. The talks could be held at Shri Nadda ji's residence or at an office, whichever of the two you wish to.
But the outreach has failed to cool tempers in opposition camp. CJP rejected Prime Minister's appeal and vowed that they won't accept anything other than Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. Rahul Gandhi too did not buy into Modi's appeal. The leader of opposition accused Modi directly of destroying the education system and even shielding the accused. More importantly, Rahul reiterated his core demand, which is sacking of Dharmendra Pradhan.
He takes credit for every achievement of this nation, which is the achievement of our youth and the achievement of our people. He takes credit, doesn't he? So now's the time for him to take responsibility. Now is the time for him to take responsibility for his actions.